29 nishimi achumsa lumani angke wan sukha viral fever angi tongna tamni ke tabuk kutung ni thanda ni kutung te watei bo kisa mansak mani ba abuni ba gai lum khana ni tongo but guess what guys bini nephrotic syndrome te she relapse ang fika. So guys, it's been 10 months from last bini medication namani steroids singke teisha relapse angka 10 months post teisha bo medication start ma khainai doctor by consult khaiye chini borong ni busago immune system belaino important role play khlayo amti high condition tamo a immune system healthy cells strong no attack khaina start khayo to immune disease inke a condition je borok ni immune system belaino strong te borok ni ability kring thango healthy cells bomo te bomo healthy cells ya so okay so ke bishiba healthy cells no attack khayo busakni hinke busak bishingni kaham organs rokchini kidney skin mokol te jatre pot aboronga attack khayo so ani husband ninke kidney khaiki ka ang kichapano khakhlai jagya je 10 month post bini relapse ang pinai ne anga kumino one suka viral fever ke bok saitungo ang symptoms tam saimi adeba ne aw buto 2021 6th October ne shimi ing mani 2023 even baby ajaku apru phano se nai tongo ka boba simon shimeno. I think this is the first time you guys are seeing me in tears. Japana ramanya. I'm strong though, but when I see her, Japana ramanya. And yeah guys, this is how behind the camera Amti Mangsi, even when she was born, that afrobo bo marken bimar afrobo khushi dengnai sad dengnai kuno feelings kare and I feel so guilty bini nogo test khaijangai tongo ga ke fung ayi bo test khai bini shatoite protein thangke o kero syndrome bini 24 hours ni urine test khaina lab rohonai mo thangai mangla ga go talawo ki bini dol thangui tongo bini yago rohorsinai bo tilangai thangsinai lebo. So guys, tabukin next morning moke baby bo bacha wei tut nangai thangai tongo bono sarapsa thangrewe bo mukre thangpai nai. So guys, our journey ke chance mang khanor pressure khaina ni last time ke ang norok biang kama kha ni shungmane actually guys this was what it was happening gangke phunungna ni chance bo maliang mane ang completely pogis thanga YouTube ro khaina ni because asuk dukho kosto first time ang mani pla 2021 ni shimi ali nang mana tarum di mama papa nakapagtang tani papa nakapagdi kapagya tadi ba. So guys, stay kabuma borok shangai tongo tangai baby ni mukhang phunuk maya zada. So guys, I know social media amon ekta jaga je jaga wo chikon kogno na wi borong ni maino belaino stress rimano so you know haino hamia comment do khai ka hangke already see over times choli tongo aro ulta kubangma borok tongo charaino sita siya kariya tam rok sau so I really wanted to protect her from social media ang jodi bad comments ba negative comments mang khangke ang next time rok ang phunuk lag because that's not good for mental health. Je borok ano hamsak borok ni request by si ang baby ni face reveal khai tongo. So guys, I know you guys are very much lovely people. So guys, omo rok angkha ani part ni Kisa life je ang social media platform rok ang share khalai tongmani other than this jotono saimano je boundary set khaina nango angani personal life rok asok social media would display khaya because of norok saimang kana tangai ang saka reason plus kabangma borok sunggo ano tangai husband makang funo gya nei so norok saimang kana ang tangai funo gya bo interested ya plus bini saksi chaya ka bini mood borok kahamang na ba chungki sasa luma bai se busuk borok rong na naisle moi motom phano song di bahai se naimia ke bini le condition se am te ke bono onek buji ma tongo and he is such a lovely person. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, me from vlog Khainai tini fungu bo vlog Khainai. Kisa rest namani long break anangkha for my stress, especially nangai tongmani rest. Miren hingke ane husband ni pemong suang miren hingke tawana disapo so bo fungo kerusan drama bin sate lal pathology rimani bin dol chawo bo kering gang kol ya chakha je bo ri dekha nai.
Bertamalai bukung kocoma kucunga ale buah
Masih
masa ya apa
Binin sama tas masih be.
masa di ba Ali kamu sadar masa Mama, Mama, terpikir.
Hi guys, dini zora simali asa kogrok sana ni tamne ke samung by busy cerai by busy te kisa gap na kata angka ke ang tabung mai chana nai tongo mai chata tino kisa kok chasinya I know it's a bad habit but actually mai jabai ang kisa rest khainai chawana tangai so kisa update diwana guys angka ke omani more video sekang painai ke ang explain khai mani video jen actually nephrotic syndrome the autoimmune disease roktamo actually kabangmo borok anewer angui mano saimi angui mano so ang abo paisa video sanamjak ang omani next video rogo rewa nabo ke ang abo no sekang rena mani do but then kisa mane too much angui thangnai tamo akong mang sayong tamo akong mang to actually guys ko kung kahit je 2 years like 2 years angka tabuk bai na it's a long time so wajib no open di kulo ko kasi sajage aboni ka actually mujane life choli tong so that you guys can also relate with me and know what's actually going on in my life and how I am ang bhai deal khai tong amo ani life o tam choli tong ang bo share khai na mo chungmani that's how ni viewers rong bon nang bai kane khainai na apart from tong thongma vlogging rok ang je publish khalai abono to norok nuwi ni tonggo but ang waisepano asak personal lang yakho because ang norok ni support nong mani bagay no ang bukha khalai ka je I should share a part of my life because I feel that mo kache awareness spread khlaima no ani viewers ni oro de jana no gui tong nai rok je in so many ways a motivation hindi kangke about all disease ni bagay knowledge rok because chini kabungma gana guni borok ngai manuna ke how to deal with it ke borong ni family roko tamo choli amorok buji nai te ke tene actually guys last month actually ani husband bo oro guitar class rok robo gana gune ne charai rok no ke borok ni last month exam ni bagi gap tong ka bini bo exam de do phai de kangke phuruma de chano phuringa de chano nei man ge kangke me sang nai mani borok serang nai chawngke ang nasinai singing class tini tuition do naik borong no ka tin tau Khainai borong am bagi rest bonang bo jongsa te kasha ko khang ke guys okay guys ko khang ke hai se je mi afrubo bini urine strip by test khaimani protein loss ungo okay Norok buji mangalak but ang te explain khalai nai amo tamo condition bini ngangke urine loss ungo protein urine by maksa ngangke bobi ni tesha test Khainai bagai lab pathology aga talao about 24 hours ni urine ro ka test Khainai bagai je jesuk liter bini urine ta for example 1 liter ngangke aro total bisa gram protein thang amano measure Khainai bagai okay according to that say BT prescribe Khainai doctor bangka doctor by prescribe I mean consult nga khna Khainai rupo okay BT ka chai sigira ka binoro always emergency BT tono BT chai yang kan pura bedridden se mane bokhorong bo pura jing tongpo kunju po jing po kun khna ya ka pura bedridden ngang chai mana kha gitcha mane loge no wa sha no bazai di mangkha okay steroids ni samung nai ni asaka quick ya khai bung ya cha ke bu pesal am tino belai costo develop autoimmune disease mana mar keno complicated one of the most complicated and jekono disease ni syndrome meaning bangke group of disease ta abo to engai plastic kup ni beba kemang ma disease rokriga abo jotono phaibe sinai engai belai costo Majalah na